First rates any second now, and the first rates you want to start actually with banks because they hold the key. Frankly, we are what 40 points away, about 50 points away from an all-time high on the Nifty. I really hope it happens because every day we have been ordering the cake, the bells and the whistles. You want to celebrate. 11245 is the market breadth, phenomenal market breadth. I think has really been the beauty point for this market. That doesn't matter what Nifty is doing, doesn't matter what flows are. There is a vast majority of left out naysayers which are now coming in. They're ready to just jump in right from the word go. 21 points up for the Nifty. The banks are looking okay. IT holds the key because IT yesterday in a sense led the market rally. So will IT be the real shot in the arm for the bulls to take markets higher? And I think IT index is off to a good start. Not too many newsmakers, Aisha, but in general, I guess there is a lot of green on the screen, and I would again say touch wood.
Yeah, you've got HDFC Life, of course. The CCI has now allowed HDFC Life to acquire, or rather HDFC to acquire their additional stake in the company and HDFC Ergo. So that's a stock in focus. Shriram Finance, let's bring up that stock for you. Close that block deal. Piramal Enterprises as well, post the Shriram Finance stake sale. So look out for that stock as well. Pidilite, which is looking to set up a unit in Gujarat. Look out for that. GR Infra, which is backed projects worth a sizable 1,843 crore rupees. That's going to be another stock in focus. And RVNL, important clarification saying that no breakdown of joint venture with Russia's TMH and that the MOU still stands valid. RVNL has gapped up 2.5% this morning as we speak right now. So these are a couple of stocks which are in focus this morning. There's of course Blue Dart as well. After that Motilal Oswal upgrade, the target price up to 8,040. PNB Housing Finance, the management meet takeaways are pretty positive. They've guided for a loan growth of 18% for FY24. Disbursements in the range of 22 to 25%. And then data patterns as well as landmark cars, considering the lock-in period for both these ends today. So just want to revisit those names as well. For the Nifty, it's quiet as quiet can be. Haven't seen any move, but I want to see what Tata Motors is up to. Even in this quiet market, it's at a 7-year high and has been scaling up on a daily basis. 583 on Tata Motors. That's also had a bit of a sedate start, much like the rest of the market. But I can see some green print on an HDFC Bank, for instance, right now. So let's revisit what an SBI, what Reliance, what even Bajaj Finance is up to for that matter. A big move on Friday, and then yesterday it's somewhat, hunkered down. Reliance has had a soft start, Bajaj Finance as well, pretty quiet. Kunal, what's going to lead us forward?
Well, I think it should be large caps back again, which could make a comeback. So we've seen good opening coming for many individual large cap stocks. So I think that's a relief for the index, and we're back again above the 18,800 mark on the Nifty. More importantly, I think the Bank Nifty this time is not showing extreme negativity, so at least at the start. So hopefully, if we can add some more green color to the Bank Nifty, we can see a very good recovery for the index and hopefully a second half breakout of the new high for the day for the Nifty. Now, the stock which I will look to trade in the open would be from the mid cap end, it's Power Finance. That's a stock which has been looking extremely attractive. PFC, RSC both have been looking quite charged up into this series, and I think at 204 levels, PFC something which I would recommend as a buy, as well as look out for a buy, targets of 225.
Okay, PFC is the opening trade. Just wanted to flag out a couple more names before we move forward. Aptus Value Housing has seen a downtick of around 7%. There's a large trade wherein 1.6% equity has changed hands, so that stock is open with a cut of 8%. Subros, that stock was logged in upper circuit yesterday, 20% higher. It's today as well, gaining as much as 20%. So 2 consecutive days of circuit on that one. And if you look at the 5-day move, that stock is already up 50 to 60% in the week gone by. And lastly, ZEEL Entertainment, that stock had taken a massive knock yesterday, 6% lower, but seeing quite a bit of bounce back today. It's 4 to 5% higher as we speak. That stock, in fact, recouped all the losses of yesterday, trading with 6% gain. Naresh, what is your first trade?
So that would be a buy on HCLTech. The stock has given a breakout and taking leadership in the large cap IT space. Expecting this to slowly continue towards the 1250-1300 mark.